Anybody here knows or has heard of the quote, "The roots of education are bitter, but this fruit is sweet"? Yeah, good quote, right? I did my research on this person on Britannica, Encyclopedia Britannica, and biography.com, and both websites are reliable websites. And that quote was stated by a famous ancient Greek philosopher called Aristotle. According to biography.com, Aristotle was born in Stagira, Greece on 384 BC. His father, Nicomachus, was a court physician to the Macedonian king Amyntas. Aristotle's father died when Aristotle was still young, and even though his father was gone, he was still around the Macedonian court, and so that impacted his actions a lot. When he turned 17, his brother-in-law Proxenius sent him to Athens to obtain higher education, and there he became Plato's student. Under Plato, he discovers a lot of information about science, philosophy, and literature. Additionally, according to Kenny from Encyclopedia Britannica, Aristotle separates theoretical sciences into 3 divisions. Those are physics, mathematics, and theology. Most of his literary works focus mainly on logic, science, and politics. And his main works from his logical writings are Categories on Interpretation, Prior and Analytics, and Posterior Analytics. And he has around 200 literary works, and many of the philosophers nowadays refer to his deduction theory as syllogism. Aristotle says deduction is a reasonable argument in which, quote, certain things are laid out, some things something else follows out of necessity and virtue of being so, close quotation. And according to biography.com, in 322 BC, Aristotle escaped prosecution, but he died because of diseases in his digestive organ. And even though many of his ideas and thinkings and understandings are still used today, many teachers, like English teachers, like Ms. Helm, she follows Aristotle's argument outlined to form an effective argument. And he also helped shape many teachers how to educate their students. He once said that education is an ornament in prosperity and a refuge in adversity.